Welcome to the quick guide for NovoPen 4. The pen is available in silver and blue. If you need two types of insulin, use a different color for each insulin type. To get started, check the pen fill cartridge to be sure that it contains the type of insulin you need. Then check the needle cap and paper tab to identify which needle you are using. If you're using cloudy insulin, mix it before every injection. If you're about to use a brand new pen fill cartridge, mix the insulin before you insert the cartridge into the pen. Roll the cartridge back and forth between your palms 10 times. Then move it up and down 10 times. Check to ensure that the insulin is uniformly white and cloudy. If not, repeat the previous two steps. To prepare NovoPen 4 with a new pen fill cartridge, first pull off the pen cap and twist the pen apart. If the piston rod is sticking out, push it all the way back in. Put the cartridge into the cartridge holder. The color-coded cap goes in first. Push the pen back together and twist until you hear or feel a click. If you're using cloudy insulin, mix it before every injection. If the pen fill cartridge is already in use, mix it in the pen. Before injection, always attach a new needle. With NovoTwist, it's a simple one-twist attachment. If using a NovoFine needle, screw this straight and tightly onto the pen. Check the flow in the needle with an air shot. Pull out the dose button and turn it to select 4 units if the pen fill cartridge is brand new, or 1 unit if the cartridge is already in use. Tap the pen gently a few times to make any air bubbles collect at the top. Press the dose button all the way in and make sure that a drop appears. Pull out the dose button and turn it to select the number of units you need to inject. Adjust the dose by dialing up or down if necessary. To inject the dose, insert the needle into the skin and press the dose button all the way in until you hear or feel a click and the display returns to 0. After injection, leave the needle in the skin for at least 6 seconds. Remove the needle after every injection to ensure continuous, painless and accurate dosing. Then put the pen cap back on and store NovoPen 4 at room temperature until your next injection. When the pen fill cartridge is empty, twist the pen apart. Remove the pen fill cartridge and insert a new one as instructed in the section Inserting a new pen fill cartridge. If you need more insulin than the amount left in the pen fill cartridge, you can divide your dose into 2 injections. For example, if you need 30 units of insulin, but the cartridge only contains 17 units, start by selecting and injecting these 17 units, and make a note of it. After injection, remove the needle and replace the used cartridge. Then attach a new needle and check the flow. Finally, calculate how many units you need to complete your dose. And select and inject this amount too. Style NovoPen 4 with a skin of your choice. If you need to change pen, you can reuse the skin on a new pen. To apply the skin, first tear out the pen cap skin from the perforated skin sheet. Remove the first third of the backing and carefully place the skin on the pen cap, starting from the clip. Then, gradually remove the rest of the backing and wrap the skin around the pen cap. Next, tear out the skin for the pen house. Remove the middle part of the backing and carefully place the skin on the pen, starting from the display. Then gradually remove the rest of the backing and wrap the skin around the pen. To finish, firmly rub your finger over the entire skin area to activate the glue and make the skin stick properly. Thank you for watching the quick guide for NovoPen 4.